Imagine a motor so powerful it can effortlessly conquer steep hills, yet so intelligent it feels like it's reading your mind. That's the bold promise behind the DJI Avinox Drive System, the latest innovation from a company renowned for pushing technological boundaries. With jaw-dropping specs like 105 Nm of torque, a peak power output of 600 W, and a suite of smart sensors that adapt to your every move, the Avinox sounds like the ultimate e-bike motor. But here's the burning question: is it too good to be true? In a market flooded with e-bike motors from established giants like Bosch, Shimano, and Yamaha, DJI's entry is both thrilling and suspicious. Can a company famous for drones really deliver a motor that outperforms the best in the cycling world? Or is the Avinox just another overhyped piece of tech, designed to dazzle but ultimately disappoint? Let's dive into the details and separate fact from fiction. The Avinox Drive System boasts a nominal power of 250 W, compliant with European regulations, but it's the 600 W peak power and 105 Nm of torque that really turn heads. These numbers suggest a motor capable of tackling the steepest climbs and providing instant acceleration with minimal effort. But does it deliver in real-world conditions? Early testers rave about its ability to make even the most grueling rides feel effortless, but skeptics wonder if such power comes at the cost of battery life or durability. What sets the Avinox apart is its smart technology. The system uses advanced sensors to monitor your speed, cadence, and terrain, adjusting the level of assistance in real time. It's like having a co-pilot who knows exactly when to push and when to ease off. The integration with a dedicated mobile app adds another layer of sophistication, allowing riders to customize settings, track performance, and even receive software updates. But here's the catch. Does this intelligence translate into a seamless riding experience, or is it just a gimmick to lure tech enthusiasts? No matter how powerful or smart a motor is, it's useless without a reliable battery. The Avinox Drive System comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that promises up to 120 kilometers of range on a single charge. That's impressive, but real-world conditions, like steep hills, strong headwinds, or heavy loads, can drastically reduce that number. Is the Avinox's battery as robust as DJI claims, or will riders find themselves stranded mid-ride? DJI is known for its sleek, minimalist designs, and the Avinox Drive System is no exception. The motor is compact, lightweight, and seamlessly integrated into the bike frame, maintaining the aesthetics of a traditional bicycle. But does this sleek design compromise durability? DJI claims the system is weather-resistant and built to withstand harsh conditions, but only time will tell if it can endure the wear and tear of daily use. The e-bike motor market is dominated by heavyweights like Bosch and Shimano, whose systems have been refined over years of development. DJI's entry is audacious, to say the least. While the Avinox Drive System brings fresh ideas and cutting-edge technology, it's up against proven competitors with loyal followings. Can DJI's innovation and reputation for quality give it an edge, or will it struggle to gain traction in a crowded market? The DJI Avinox Drive System is undeniably exciting. Its combination of power, intelligence, and sleek design has the potential to redefine what we expect from an e-bike motor. But as with any groundbreaking product, there are questions that only real-world use can answer. Is the Avinox the revolutionary motor it claims to be, or is it just another flashy illusion designed to capture our imagination? One thing is certain: DJI has thrown down the gauntlet, and the cycling world is watching closely. Whether the Avinox Drive System lives up to the hype or falls short, it's a bold step forward in the evolution of e-bikes, and that alone is worth celebrating. So, are you ready to take the ride and find out for yourself? The truth is out there, waiting to be discovered.